Okay, let's get down to business, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Chadwick, better known as Chazz, the second Paradox of Tales. And tonight's event will be Chazz doing his skit of a young, intelligent, distant, lad of a person. Four corners of the world never been discovered until now. And it goes like this. Knock, knock. Who's there? Deaf. Deaf who? Deaf. Anyway, like I was saying, here we go. Knock, knock. Enter! With thou head. I mean, enter with thou sword. Hear ye, as he speak. This is back in the 12th century. Note was found in a bottle. Drifted like maybe 100 years. Until it was discovered. And then guess what? Now the princess lay silently without his mistress. Knock, knock. Who goes there? Enter with thy sword. To thee, to thee. Here. To thee, to thee. Tune in next time. Chadwick, better known as Chazz, the second Paradox of Tales. By the way, for my fans that came out and saw my show about maybe a year ago, this is the face mask that I had on. This is the face mask I had on when I did my cameo appearance performance of the song Erotic CD by Prince. Love that song. So I had to do that and dedicate it to my boy. God rest his soul. Rest in peace. Better known as Jimmy Robinson, better known as Perv. My heart condolences go out to your family. Other than that, 30 years on stage, man. Enjoy my time with that guy. Learned a lot from him. So I got some of my training from. Other than that, Showtime, baby. The one-stop shop of entertainment. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, hear ye, enter without head. I mean, enter with sword. The hot dog D. And then the Asian man says, Nini ha bini shaw shaw nini ha bini. Kaju. Tumlight. Put it up. Anyway, stay tuned. We have more. Chadwick, better known as Chazz, the second Paradox Tales. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Star Trek scene that I did about maybe a month ago. Hope y'all guys like it. Some of y'all did. So try to answer everyone's emails and comments. Just to me. And leave you with this right here. Scene to the basically to the widest high-tech reps, which I enhance to convert to the tweet that'll make you dance. Thanks for tuning in. Right now I'm working on some skits, so stay tuned for that too. So as well as told. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, my pearly is chilling, and I'm just working on some things like they say behind the scene. Practice, practice make perfect. Perfect make practice. That's right. Okay, that make any sense? Anyway, let's try some stuff, y'all. I'm still here. Don't let the makeup fool you. Let's try some stuff for the fans and piece of actual requests and stuff like that. So I'm just throwing it out there. Life is different now after the COVID. So things is totally different. So everybody just doing their thing. Now everybody can be celebrities on their own domain. That's right, own platform. Yeah. So other than that, okay. Shouting out to Facebook, shouting out to Instagram, YouTube, appreciate it. Don't forget the notification button, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll bring more videos like this to y'all guys, okay? All right. Hi, Chazz, better known as Chazz, or Chadwick, better known as Chazz. The second paradox of tales.